Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner. This comes from Jeff in Douglas, Wyoming. Jeff has requested the modern FM conversion with the USB feature, and so we've done that. So let's turn her on and make sure everything works. I've got it set to FM, so we'll just do a quick little run down the dial here.
This year, however, Darren, but while the industry itself has recovered faster, Swindle. Listen for position near a cattle guard. It starts in your finger. I'm gonna play it out.
Hey, Coach, with the Davis Legacy song.
Yeah, I almost got off the nose and has been in her curve.
Okay, now we're going to switch to AM. And on a radio that was originally AM only, you switch bands by going off and then right back on within about half a second. No, I think we're still on FM. Nope. Okay, there's AM. Okay, should get two very weak stations somewhere around here. One. There's two, and then we get a stronger one towards the center. Okay, there's our stronger station. So let's go back to FM. I just kind of like being on FM. Okay, we're going to demonstrate our balance and fader control. Okay, balance control all the way right, all the way left. Okay, going to activate the virtual front rear fader. And on this unit, that's kind of touchy. There we go. Fader front, rear, front, rear, center of the speakers. Let it time out. Okay, let's test the USB, make sure that works. I've got my radio commercial recorder on here. Just going to make sure it starts up and plays. Let's get rid of these meters. We don't need those anymore. Just plug my commercial in here. Okay, remove the stick, radio comes back, and the last thing to check is the 8-track. And we got some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, pull the tape out. Radio comes right back on immediately. And that takes care of that. So let's make sure our dial light works. Should be flashing on and off, which you can see that. So that completes the test. Everything's working properly. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to a classic car AM radio with or without an 8-track. I do make them sound better than new as far as the 8-track section and the radio with the Aurora Design products. So you can reach me for service at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. We'll see you guys next time.